Let's create a loft-style wardrobe in Pro together. In the Pro program, you can create any furniture you want easily and quickly. If you make furniture, I can create models and product drawings for you. The link is in the description. We are in the room and we should move to this corner. Click New Element, then click on the left wall. Click twice to open Properties. We need dimensions: width 30, depth 30, and height 800 minus 38. Enter. Then position, we need all 3 zeros. Now I'm moving to the right and making a copy of this element. Ctrl D on your keyboard. Move it with your left mouse button. Put it here and somewhere here. Now we need a horizontal element. Ctrl D and then Ctrl R on your keyboard. We have to rotate this element. X-axis rotate twice. Put it here on the floor and then stretch it. Now we need another copy here. So Ctrl D, then hold down the Shift and click on this vertical element, align tops Y-axis. And 2 more copies of these horizontal elements, one here and one here. Double click position 70 and here, put it here and to the bottom 530. Now I'm moving like this and I need these 3 elements. I'm holding down the Shift and just clicking on them. And Ctrl D, then click here to rotate and put it here. Now hold down the Shift and select all of the elements. Ctrl D to make a copy and rotate twice. Put it here. Now we have to write down the right dimensions for our wardrobe. So hold down the Shift and select all. Then press Ctrl G to make a group. Click twice, dimensions, height, don't touch it, width 1200, depth 400. Enter. Now we should ungroup it and we need only some elements here. So I'm making a copy of this element and working with dimensions. There should be equal, so hold down the Shift, click on these 4 elements and then distance centers X-axis. And this element, Ctrl D. 2 more copies. Select all of them and then select this element and click Align Centers Y-axis, like this. The metal construction is ready. I chose this black color for my metal construction. Now we should add another material, a wood for example, new element, and click on this wall. Stretch it, then again new element and click on this wall and stretch it. And one more time, new element, this wall or floor, then hold down the shift, click on this element and align bottoms. Now we should stretch it. Now we need a copy of this element. Put it here and select this element. Align rights. Now, two copies of this element. One is going here and one here. Align tops. Double click dimensions 1200, 400, height 38, and put it here. And now we need only drawers. I've already shown you how to make a drawer in other videos. In this video we will make an imitation of a drawer. Making a copy of this element and select this element and click Align Fronts. We are going to make only fronts. And now we need a handler. So I'm making a new element, double click dimensions 110, 20. Put it here and now align centers Y and X axis like this. Now we should select the right material for these wooden elements. I chose this one. Now hold down the shift and select these two elements, Ctrl G to make a group, and we need more copies. One here, here, here. And now we have 6 drawers. Now click here and here to make our wardrobes more realistic and beautiful. If you need help with installing the program, the link is in the description.